What made you say that the respondent was both serious and real when she uttered those threats?
The Vice President was furious and fuming mad when she uttered those.
Could you repeat it? Furious and
And fuming mad, sir.
fuming mad. Furious and fuming mad. Now, what made you say na yung Vice Presidente was both furious and fumingly mad?
Well, nakita ho namin dun sa video nung niran ho namin, Your Honor, if I'm not mistaken, I think more or less 8 beses ho siyang galit na galit at nagmumura at minumura yung Presidente, si First Lady, and then si former Speaker of the House, sir.
8 beses.
If I'm not mistaken, more or less, sir.
Na kesyo taksin, kesyo corrupt, abusado. Sino ang corrupt? Itong ginagawa ko eh. Na, hindi mo pala gusto ginagawa mo eh. Bakit mo sinisira pangalan ko? Joel Chua. He did not know what he was talking about. That's so incompetent. Or he was lying through his teeth to get the votes of people. Ninyong lahat, Martin Romualdez, Lisa Marcos, Bongbong Marcos. Tapos kami yung nagsisinungaling? Nagpipigil ako eh. Kasi gusto ko lang magtrabaho. Gusto ko lang tapusin nyo na yung show ninyo dyan sa House of Representatives para makabalik na kami.
I think we have 2 more.
Martin, nangangampanya tayo. Nakasakay tayo sa eroplano. Magkatabi tayo. Nagre-reklamo ka, walang pera. Kasi, maalis mo man ako sa presidential race, hindi pa rin ikaw ang presidente. Walang buboto sa'yo. Please lang.
Okay. Thank you.
Wala.